Good evening, ma'am. Welcome to our store. How may I assist you?
Oh, hi. Good evening. I have unexpected guests tonight, so I need to buy a lot of food. I am in a big rush.
Don't worry, ma'am. Our store has everything you need. Can I help you with a basket?
Let me see. I am afraid this basket is too small. It won't be enough.
I understand. In that case, you should take a shopping cart over there.
Oh, the big cart? Yes, that's much better for a party. Thank you. You're very helpful.
You're welcome. So, what is on your list today?
I only have 10 minutes left before I catch the last bus home. I need to find fresh fruits, juice, and a cake.
No problem. I can show you where all three are.
Oh, thank goodness. I was a bit worried about the time.
First, go straight to aisle 5 for the fruits. Then look right across from the fruit section. You will see the juice.
Aisle 5 for fruits, and juice is right across. Got it.
Finally, the bakery section for your cake is at the end of that aisle.
So they are all in one area? That's perfect.
Yes, it is very convenient. You will definitely catch your bus.
You are so kind, young man.
My pleasure, ma'am. Have fun shopping.
Okay, I am at the fruit section. Now, where are the bananas?
Good evening, ma'am. Are you looking for something special?
Yes, I need a big bunch of bananas for my kids, but these look a bit bruised and green.
I'm sorry about that. We had a very busy morning today.
I understand, but I'm in a hurry. Do you have any fresh ones in the back?
Let me check the warehouse for you. Things wait just a moment.
Thank you. Oh my, 7 minutes left before the bus left.
I'm back. Look, I found some beautiful bananas for you.
Oh wow, these are perfect. They are not too green and not too ripe.
Yes, they are just right. Your kids will love them.
They look very delicious and yellow. I will take this bunch.
Do you need me to weigh these for you?
Oh yes, please.
No problem at all. Here is your price tag. You are all set.
Thank you so much for your help.
Great. Would you like some of these oranges too? They are very juicy today.
They smell fresh, but I think I have enough fruit. I must find the juice now.
You're welcome. Have fun shopping.
Oh, watch out! I am so sorry. I didn't see your cart. Mary, is that you? Oh my goodness, it's been a long time. Hi, Lucy. Yes, it's me. I'm in a huge rush because I have guests coming in 10 minutes. Oh, let me check. 5 minutes. Me too. My kids are having a party, so I just grabbed 15 bottles of soda. It's fast and easy. Oh no, Lucy, look at all that soda. That is too much sugar for the little ones. I know, but I don't have time to think. I'm exhausted. Listen, honey, you should change those for fresh orange juice. It's right there. But is juice really better than soda? Trust me, it's better for kids. Too many sweets make them too energetic, and then they can't sleep. You are right about that. They are already noisy enough. Why don't you put back the soda and take these 5 bottles of pure juice? It takes only 30 seconds. You're a good friend, Mary. I should listen to you. I'll put the soda back and grab the juice. Thanks for the advice. You're welcome. I have to run to the bakery now. See you later, Lucy. Bye, Mary. Good luck with your party. Wait, please wait. Is the bakery still open?
Oh, you caught me just in time, ma'am. I was about to close the counter.
Oh, thank goodness. I really need a cake for our family celebration tonight.
You are lucky. This is our very last cake of the day. It's a vanilla cake with fresh strawberries.
It looks beautiful and very pretty. Can you write something on it for me?
Certainly. What would you like me to write?
Please write Happy Family. Is that possible?
Of course. It will take just a minute. Please wait right here.
Thank you so much. How long does it take exactly? I have to get to the bus quickly.
Don't worry, honey. I am very fast. It only takes 60 seconds.
Perfect. You are a lifesaver. My kids would be so sad without a cake.
I understand. A party without a cake is just a meeting. Here you go. Happy family.
Wow, it looks perfect. The handwriting is so neat.
I'm glad you like it. Let me put it in a box for you.
Thank you. Oh my, only 3 minutes left. I need to get to the checkout now.
Have fun. The checkout is right past the snack aisle.
Thanks again. You made my day.
My pleasure. Enjoy your party and have a great night.
I made it! Hello, am I too late?
Just in time, ma'am. Put your items on the belt, please.
Thank you. Here they are.
Okay, let me scan the fruits, the juice, and your beautiful cake.
Thanks. How much is it?
That's $45 in total, ma'am.
Oh, that's a good price. Can I pay by credit card?
Of course. Please swipe or tap your card on the machine right here.
Here we go. Oh, let me check the receipt quickly. Bananas, juice, cake. Perfect. Thank you, young man.
You're welcome. You are our last customer today. Do you need help carrying these to your car?
No, thank you. I can handle it. I'm catching a bus home now.
Wonderful. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thanks. Phew, I made it. Now, time to go home and cook.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now, we have a fun homework for you. Please comment below and tell us, do you like shopping for groceries? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.